Hi guys, do you want to learn letter like me? Yeah, so let's go. Brown color, dark green color, red color, dark blue color, orange color, pink color, light green color, purple color, yellow color, blue sky color. A for ant. B for book. C for cat. D for door. E for egg. F for fish. G for glass. H for house. I for ice. J for juice. K for kangaroo. L for lunch. M for mouse. N for nest. O for orange. P for pencil. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for snack. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for wave. X for X-ray fish. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. Purple color, yellow color, pink color, orange color, red color, light green color, dark green color, dark blue color, gray color, light blue color. First shape, heart. Pink color, heart is pink color. Next shape, circle. Purple color, circle is purple color. Next shape, square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Square is 4 corner. Red color. Square is red color. Next shape, triangle. 1, 2, 3. Triangle is 3 corner. Orange color. Triangle is orange color. Next shape, pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentagon is 5 corner. Yellow color. Pentagon is yellow color. Next shape, hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexagon is 6 corner. Green color. Hexagon is green color. Next shape, octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Octagon is 8 corner. Green color. Octagon is green color. Next shape, elves. Blue color. Elves is blue color. Next shape, rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rectangle is 4 corner. Blue color. Rectangle is blue color. Next shape, diamond. 1, 2, 3, 4. Diamond is 4 corner. Gray color. Diamond is gray color. Heart. Circle. Square. Triangle. Pentagon. Hexagon. hexagon, elves, rectangle, diamond. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.